bedroom. With walking robe. You go up towards the unit, there's a powder room and laundry on the right hand side. Another bedroom there. This one with a nice view too. Then through this hallway, the front door. You come in front of the living area. It's all been tiled on the windows. That's north there. Kitchen. Granite kitchen with gas cooking. That's me, of course, not a professional, but at least you can see what I'm talking about. The kitchen. This was a dining area. Again, you all got view behind those windows. Beautiful view north. Then you got the view of Marina Mirage and Versace, and the master bedroom is quite big. With ensuite his and hers. Again, very nice view of the ocean and Versace and Marina Mirage.